Namaskar, I'm Dr. Naresh Kumar from National Weather Forecasting Center, New Delhi. I will be presenting weekly weather review and outlook for next 2 weeks. If you talk about the previous week, there was two low pressure area which influence our country, and one first low pressure area formed over the northwest Bay of Bengal on 22nd. It became Belmark on 23rd, and thereafter weakened into a low pressure area over 24th, and on 25th again it was low pressure area lies over the northern part of the central MP. Thereafter, it would weaken and seen as a cyclonic circulation over northwest MP on 26th. And another low pressure area formed over northwest Bay of Bengal on 27th, become Belmark on 28th. And there was a offshore trough was also there, Maharashtra to Kerala coast, few days of a week, and monsoon trough was active and near its normal position during most days of the week. Uh, If you talk about there was a significant rainfall occurs due to these two low pressure area over most part of the country. On first day, 22nd, we experienced extremely heavy rainfall over West MP and that is Konkan, Goa, Telangana and Madhya Maharashtra also. On 23rd, due to the low pressure area, we experienced extremely heavy rainfall over Odisha and West MP, Konkan, Goa, even Madhya Maharashtra also experienced extremely heavy rainfall up to 59 centimeter. Vidarbha, Telangana, coastal Karnataka, NIK, SIK also experienced extremely heavy rainfall on 23rd. On 24th, and it occurs over the East Rajasthan, West MP, Madhya Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh. 25th, it occurs due to that is over Jammu Kashmir, East Madhya Pradesh. 26th over West Rajasthan, West MP, Saurashtra Kutch. 27th, East Rajasthan, West MP, and 28th, East UP and Himachal Pradesh experiences extremely heavy rainfall more than 20 centimeter. So this is you can see uh, weekly rainfall from 22nd to 28th July, and another is cumulative rainfall from 1st June to 28th July. You can see from the figures, most of the sub-regions received that is normal or above normal rainfall activity over Rayalaseema, except Rayalaseema, Bihar, or northeastern states. And if you see the cumulative rainfall as a country as a whole during this week, that was 77.5 millimeter, which is more than 15% above normal rainfall activity. Northwest was near normal. Central India received highest rainfall, that is 53% above normal, and South Peninsula also received 37% above normal rainfall activity. Due to that one, country as a whole received 416.6 millimeter rainfall against its normal rainfall of 424.1 mm, and overall it was 2% below normal rainfall activity. So this is the day-to-day progress of the rainfall activity. Here you can see from the figure from 22nd to 28th rainfall is the near normal or above normal except one day 27th July, and from the figure 2 you can see here that is the actual rainfall that is here up to you can see from 29th July our cumulative actual rainfall is 427 millimeter against cumulative normal rainfall up to that is 29th July is 433.9, which is 2% below normals. And here departure rainfall, here you can see rainfall initially was above normals. Thereafter from 6th July it started below normals, and thereafter now it is almost near normal, that is 2% below normals. So this is the current meteorological condition as on today. Here we have a well-marked low pressure area over GWB and adjoining Bangladesh, and which is likely to move nearly westward. It's and across West Bengal, Jharkhand, and Bihar. Thereafter, it may get weakened, and its remnant is likely to move up to Uttar Pradesh. and monsoon trough is active. Its western end is north of its normal position, and eastern end is near normal position. A cyclonic circulation lies over Haryana. Another is that is a cyclone circulation lies over East UP and neighborhood up to mid-tropospheric levels, and there is offshore trough is also there along the west coast. And under the influence of these synoptic conditions, here we are expecting heavy to very heavy rainfall with extremely heavy rainfall over GWV, that is associated with low, and heavy to very heavy rainfall over the other part of the country like Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Haryana, East Madhya Pradesh, West UP, Bihar, Jharkhand, and Odisha. And thereafter, day two, we are expecting slightly that is extremely heavy rainfall over Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh due to the low pressure area, and there is a strong southwestern wind likely to prevail over northwest India due to the confluence between the monsoon trough and southwesterly wind. We are expecting extremely heavy rainfall over East Rajasthan also, and heavy to heavy rainfall Uttarakhand, West Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, and Bihar. On day three, we are expecting heavy to very heavy rainfall with extremely heavy rainfall over East Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh, and very heavy rainfall over East Uttar Pradesh, West Rajasthan, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, and Bihar. On day four, we are expecting extremely heavy rainfall over East Rajasthan and very heavy over Madhya Pradesh. And day five, we are not expecting any extremely heavy rainfall over heavy to very heavy rainfall likely to continue over East Rajasthan and West MP. Here, extremely heavy rainfall mean more than 20 centimeter and heavy to heavy mean more than 6.5 centimeter to 12 centimeter. Sorry, that is a heavy and more than 12 centimeter to 20 centimeter. So, if you talk about next, that is a weekly rainfall forecast. Here, due to as I briefed about the 5 days forecast, again this is a somewhat of the repetitions. We are expecting heavy to very heavy rainfall with isolated very heavy falls over GWV, Odisha, East MP, Chhattisgarh, extremely heavy as briefed earlier over GW on 29th, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh 30th, East MP on 31st July, and thereafter over East Rajasthan and West MP is also likely to continue received heavy to very heavy spells till second from 29th to 2nd August, and thereafter from extremely heavy rainfall over East Rajasthan from 30th, 31st and 1st August, and thereafter that is 30 July, 31st July and 1st August, and over West Madhya Pradesh on 31st July, and thereafter its intensity is likely to decrease thereafter. And current spell of the widespread rainfall activity over isolated heavy to very heavy likely to continue over Western Himalayas until 30th July, and thereafter it will decrease and over fairly widespread rainfall activity likely to continue over Uttar Pradesh with isolated heavy falls during most days of the week. And if you talk about the week two, here what we are expecting monsoon trough is likely to be north of its normal position and near normal position during most days of the week. We are expecting fairly widespread rainfall with isolated heavy falls over northeast, east adjoining northwest India that includes UP, Uttarakhand, and central India during most days of the week. So rainfall activity is likely to be normal to abnormal, likely over northeast India, eastern and adjoining India of northwest India, and central part of the country. It is likely to be below normal or most part of that is northwest and south peninsular India, and slightly we can say Jammu Kashmir, Himachal, or slightly plains of the northwest India. Thank you very much.